Stop walking. Yeah, I know how dramatic that sounds. But trust me for a second, because if you're over 65 and walking is the only exercise you rely on, you might be weakening your muscles faster than if you did nothing at all. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to wake you up. Because the truth is, something shocking starts happening inside your body after age 60. Most people have no idea it's even happening. And the craziest part? It has nothing to do with how active you are, and everything to do with what your muscles stop responding to. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change the next 20 years of your life. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? You walk every day, you eat pretty well, you try to stay active, yet somehow your legs feel weaker, stairs feel harder, and getting off the couch feels like a wrestling match. If that feels familiar, it's not because you're lazy, it's not because you're old, it's because, believe it or not, your muscles enter a state called anabolic resistance. That's a fancy way of saying your muscles stop responding to low-effort movement. And guess what category walking falls into? Yep, low effort. Walking is great for your heart. But for your muscles, it's like whispering, "Please get stronger," when your body actually needs you to shout. But don't worry, because in a moment, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful Japanese-inspired exercises that rebuild strength, balance, and confidence in less than 10 minutes a day. And the third one, that one is a game changer for fall prevention. So don't go anywhere. Here's where things get surprising. After 60, you can lose 1% to 2% of your muscle every single year, even if you're active. That's why you see people who walk every day, yet still feel wobbly, tired, or weak, because walking doesn't challenge the muscles that protect you. It doesn't activate the fibers that help you catch yourself when you trip, or get out of a chair, or climb up 3 steps without holding your breath. But here's the good news, and it's really good. Your body can still rebuild strength, it can still regain balance, it can still learn new movement patterns. You just have to give it the right signal, and that's exactly what these 3 Japanese-inspired exercises do. Let's start with the first one. It looks simple, but it's secretly one of the strongest predictors of independence. All right, I want you to picture this. You're standing tall, feet shoulder width apart, and you slowly lower your hips back like you're about to sit. But you stop 1 inch above the chair. This tiny moment, this gentle hold, ignites your thighs, your glutes, your core, everything. Why is this so powerful? Because your legs aren't just muscles. They're your foundation. They're your stability. They're the difference between "I got this" and "Can someone help me up?" This invisible chair hold fires your fast twitch fibers, the ones you lose fastest with age, the ones responsible for catching yourself when you slip, the ones walking never reaches. And guess what? It's easier on your joints than regular squats because there's no bouncing, no rushing, no impact. Instructions, spoken slowly. Stand in front of a chair. Hips back, lower. Stop 1 inch above the seat. Hold for 5 seconds. Stand back up. Start with 5 reps. Work up to 3 sets. If your knees are sensitive, use a cushion. Don't go as low. There's no prize for depth. The victory is in the consistency. And trust me, you're gonna feel stronger faster than you expect. Now, if you think that one was important, the next one might actually protect your life. Let's talk upper body for a second. Do you know what your arms and chest really do? They don't just help you lift groceries, they help you catch yourself, they help you push yourself off the ground, they help you stabilize when life throws a surprise at you. That's why counter push-ups, not wall push-ups, are the sweet spot for adults over 65. They've got enough resistance to trigger real strength without the wrist pain or shoulder strain that regular push-ups cause. But there's something even more interesting happening here. Your brain and muscles start communicating better. That's right. After 60, the connection between your brain and your muscles gets fuzzy like a bad radio signal. These controlled push-ups sharpen that signal. Instructions: hands on a sturdy counter. Step back until your body is in a light diagonal. Lower slowly for 2 to 3 seconds. Press back up. Do 8 to 10 reps, 2 to 3 sets, take your time. This isn't about brute strength, it's about control, confidence, and capability. And you're going to need that confidence for the next exercise because honestly, this one might save you from a devastating fall. Okay, listen carefully. Most dangerous falls don't happen forward. They happen backward or sideways. And almost no one trains those muscles. But this movement, a slow, supported step-back lunge, teaches your body how to recover, how to stabilize, how to catch itself before you even realize you were slipping. It wakes up the stabilizers in your hips, your glutes, your calves, the tiny muscles that keep you upright when life doesn't go as planned. Instructions. Stand beside a sturdy chair. Lightly hold it. Step your right foot back. Lower slightly. Hold and come back up. Switch legs. Start with 6 reps each side, 2 rounds, no rush, no forcing, just smooth, controlled movement. And here's the emotional truth behind this one. When you learn how to step back with control, you suddenly feel like you're back in charge. Now, quick but important note. If you've had recent surgery, a joint replacement, severe arthritis pain, dizziness, or you're recovering from a neurological condition, ask your doctor before starting. For everyone else, use support, move slowly, stop if it hurts. But don't stop just because it's uncomfortable. These movements aren't about pushing hard, they're about teaching your body to protect you. And you'd be amazed how fast your balance improves once you train the right muscles. Let me leave you with something that might hit home. Strength after 65 isn't built in gyms. It's built in moments. Moments when you decide you're not done. Moments when you choose progress over fear. Moments when you say, I still matter, my body still matters. So here's your first moment. Do 1 rep today, just one. 1 invisible chair, 1 push-up, 1 step back, because 1 rep becomes 2, 2 becomes confidence, and confidence becomes independence. And if nobody else tells you this, you're stronger than you think.